with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you join the Dengue post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today we want to talk about a story, and this story now story where we say that our last story of that family, when they say they inherit witchcraft for their family. Now that story, now I bring this story. You know, my story they always dey waka waka, because if you bring one, that one when you bring, you go dey drag another story they come. So now that story now I drag this one come. A lady call me, he say now wetin happen for their family, but now the other way around, and I like to share the story with us, so we'll see pick from there. Wetin make me dey bring this story? I know many people go dey tell say, oh Lady T, na so wish, bird, spiritual things na you dey always dey talk about. Yes, I know why they talk about am, because these things, they are the things we need to talk about. They are the things that can affect us physically, because spiritual control physical. And these things, if it good sometimes when you say, if somewhere they pain you, you actually know where they pain you. If you get headache, you go meet your doctor, say now headache, he go give you headache medicine. If now waist, he go give you waist medicine. But you not gonna know what they do you where they pain you. They don't know which medicine they will give you, because every part of our body get their own different kind of medicine to take for it. Which means when you dey pray, you need to know your prayer point, so that if you dey pray, you go know where your prayer from they come. Sometimes you go dey pray, you say, hey, I ban, I cast enemy, this and this. And sometimes maybe enemy not there anywhere, maybe not curse. Because this curse, when you see so, people they take am for granted. Curse don't damage many things. When you be saying a curse, now you get. And you dey pray, they cast and ban, they say enemy go die, enemy go do this, and a curse. You see say the prayer not get where they go, because now where they pay person, that person they carry, they face fire. So when they try to talk here now, be say this our sister, he come out, he come to us, see wetin happen for their home. He like to share am, so that many people will feel pick sense from this story. They will know how to go about their own family issue. Like I talked before, all family get issue. Only say he pass body, he worst. Some too worst when we say not be even wetin they use maths they talk. Some of our forefathers that time, they don't use their hand, cause so many things. They don't do evil things when we say the thing will come they affect the children now. That the story of our own sister that she carry come. So Mona still reason now, and Mona shook on her mouth put for inside this matter. The story be say this her sister, when she won't marry her husband, he papa draw a year. He say, my pikin, this family no go, not marry from this family, because this family they no good. Papa, he must marry. Why you go tell me say me I not marry this boy? The love of my life, the sugar in my tea, the cockroach in my cupboard, the everything. No way not call the brother. He say he must marry. He said that time she small. If papa tell am say no, this family no, you feel married from another place, but this family they get problem. I don't want hear am. He tell the papa say na lie. Now so he go they follow the boy continue. Papa talk, she no hear. Mama talk, she no hear. He say if not be this boy, not be another person. Of which you know say all this kind of thing they happen, especially when you don't fall in love well. Anything person they talk, nobody they hear again. So tell papa and the mama, they come carry and sit down. They say, come, mom will tell you the story of this family, so that may you not enter, may you not go for one chance. He say now because say no one even listen to any story, because say they not feel like the boy, now make am. Now because say the boy not get money, like say he really get money, he rich, he come, therefore accept am. Make they not use story, content they talk, they cover up, nothing like that. They their family, the family they okay. Love carry this sister eye. He not look into the family, he not look into the background of the family. He not let the parents explain to her. Now so after some time, they not know what they fit do. It begin they born for the brother. Before you know, he don't born. What did they go do? And so yeah, man, I'm married. And so they can't say marry. Pikin come they grow, they come. The senior one just dey university. Now they say the boy dey craze. They just call him mama, your pikin don dey push it o, they no know wetin dey do o, he dey push it o. Na so he run, he go school, they go carry am come house, they come quickly tie am for house make he no enter market, because they say if craze person don enter market, say na okpari be that, they no dey fit cure am again. Na so they talk o. But thank God he no enter market, they come quick carry am come tie am for house. Where they for the tie am for house, now they say another that one boy cousin again from the same family, that one don see the kolo. They say hey, the kolo, they scare that one now, they no fit tie that one. Before you know, that one don dey outside. You understand? So now there, now this sister come dey lis ten to papa. They can't remember wetin papa tell am years back. No go, no go, you know here. That time I come sit down, come dey lis ten to papa. Now if papa tell am say this one no be hospital matter o, this one no be say to carry go psychiatric, no be him. This problem na be wetin I wan tell you that time when you no gree give me ear make I talk put. Then I come say papa tell me wetin happen, wetin dey happen for this family, because now she even come dey notice am say as your pikin don dey kolo, the cousin don dey kolo again for another side, and about 3 others don dey kolo before. Now her eye come clear. Papa wetin happen? Then papa say sit down make I tell you story. He say this husband wey he marry, so he grandpapa, they say this his grandpapa, many women born for am, but those women no dey stay with am. If they born one, they will comot. If they born one, they will comot. He say his grandpapa wicked well. Village, he get wetin they wan do, so they come dey say anybody wey go fit bring young girl come, wey be say her ample see fresh, when nobody don touch. So this man, he come go carry the daughter of one of the woman wey don born for am, wey no dey with her again. He come carry that one go give them. But thank God, all you did that girl head, he no succeed. The girl come fit escape. So now wetin the man dey try to do? So take the man do one big sacrifice wey be say that sacrifice he tie am for tree. He say no go ever die. Say until that thing come down before he go die. So this man come old, he no die. He come even dey rotty, he no die. Now later they come get to know say he get one tree when he go put that thing. Say if the thing not touch ground, he no go die. Immediately they carry the thing touch ground, and so the man take go. So he get one particular woman wey born for am. This woman carry the son, na him first son when the lady just born for am. So he no fit stay the marriage. As he dey go, he carry the pikin follow body. When he reach there, the man say lala na first pikin no go gree make he dey outside, he must come house. So he come carry the pikin, come go give his sister. He say make his sister help am dey train the pikin. The sister come dey train the pikin. They say one day the pikin don start to dey craze. So wetin cause craze for this pikin wey be say they go carry for him mama hand, the overall first son of this man? Nobody know wetin cause nobody know wetin cause craze for him body till today. He just begin dey craze for streets, dey craze, you know. But the craze wey e dey craze, e dey enter him head. The thing will just come. If you just come, you go just begin dey kolo, you know. You begin dey kolo for everywhere. So this man now, they come dey laugh am, say make e dey go. He pikin wey dey kolo, they come dey laugh am for the area, and because of that laugh when they come dey laugh am, he come begin dey shame whether na him use the hand take cause wetin make the pikin dey kolo. Nobody know that one. But they come dey laugh am. But the man wicked. At least person wey if you go carry your own pikin wey dey find fresh apple, he go carry your daughter come make dem use am for wetin dem wan do. But thank God he no succeed. Wetin if he still be say na him do something wey be say the senior son begin dey kolo, maybe na him make am go collect am for him mama hands. They come dey laugh am say the senior son he dey kolo this and this. E come be like say the man dey shame because he no get wetin he go do again. Since na this one na dey kolo for him pikin, he may just permit am, maybe say the kolo go just end. Now he try several times. They say he try several times to send people make dem come permit this his first son. They no succeed. they not fit, because you know say they say people when don dey kolo, they say that they get extra power well. So the people when they send they come, they not fit. They come, they try to they come, they try. One day they can't succeed. They can't fit carry am. They say they can't carry am go inside bush. As they reach there, then they come say, oh, yeah, this pikin now they don't catch am. Make they marry am. The papa can't dey there. So then he come they give the order say make they join. Come say no, they not go do am. Now you say this pikin you not like as e dey kolo. Now you say you don't want her, you want end am. And now you go end am, not be them. Now they give her this thing, make it end am. They say he no even look back. He no even measure before he cuts. All the blood pour on top of his cloth. He carry the cloth, he enter house. They come, they ask and say, where pikin till today? They not see pikin. Now those people when be say all of the gather go do wetin they do. Now those one, now they can't confess. Now those one, now their own death, it can't be miserable. The way all those ones even take die, the way they take even kill even better pass the way those ones take go like that. And before they go, they talk. But this man, as I talk, he not quick go because he tie you for up. You understand? So now the matter now be this. If papa can tell and say, since then, when that man take finish that his first son, say because he dey shame, say he dey kolo, that problem starts for that family. All their first son must kolo. All the first son, no matter how they will talk am, he must kolo. He say na there this sister come dey cry, like saying no. If for listening to papa, if for listening to mama, pikin wey be say fine. If you see am when they send me the boy picture, very handsome pikin, dey fine. And so in no book. Now when you don dey university, wey go soon finish, maybe God go bless am now, you go get better work. Na kolo come. Wetin be the problem? Sins of the forefather. Because they say that first son, the first son, he talk and say, as we be say na so him papa take doing. From generation to generation, all the first son go dey kolo. They go kolo. So take the papa go tire for kolo. And the swear, when he swear, and that swear, that curse, it come up. That be the problem wey they get so. Now him papa see, say no marry from this family because they be kolo people like they be. Don't go there. His sister not here, but now the same papa. What if they say me papa no here? Now baba now go come settle now. Now be this one so. And the same papa and mama now he come meet. Now they tell us say this one are prayers. Not be waiting or fit do. They come got to look for strong church. Carry this guy go. They pray for her. Not be small prayer. They pray. Pastor, no, I dey talk. I say that one wey they say if they pray, they will come cancel the curse come out for the family, for the generation. Now lie. Don't let anybody deceive you. You know they let cancel. The only way they fulfill cancel now, like say they see the person when be say involved for inside, and these people don't dey grave. So how they want to cancel now? Say you go come cancel for the family, for the generation to generation. Nothing when God not fit do, it do, but it take the grace of God before you go fit cancel for generation to generation. The only way is for you to pray your way out. Pray your way out. Because to cancel for generation, if you like say e easy like that, you for not even they say all these things. This family now, probably they don't go different churches. If for not still dating now. But the pastor, he delivered this brother. This brother dey okay now. But that one not mean say grace not the family. They see the grace for the family. Even the one they all start the same time. No say I thought say this one all they happen. The other one all they happen. The other one all till now. You see the kolo. because if family not pray their own way hearts, e still dey kolo. But this sister wey bring this matter come, his sister pikin, e don dey okay because they don pray their own way hearts. That's why in your family you pray your own way hearts. You pray for all your family, but focus on your own way, because salvation is personal, not be stingy prayer. Because if you say make you do all of them, you go take for garage where you want for see. It take the grace of God to do all of them. That's why most people now, as they know God, their own life they dey different. As they know God, their own they dey different, because they hold God. Because not be the way you go take hold God, your brother go take hold God too. You go come force your brother, you go come force your sister. That's why you need to pray your own way out. If una agree as a family, una fit join together, it's okay. But say they don't agree as a family, you pray your way out. Because to agree as a family, all the family must hold God strong. Before you see family when you hold God strong, it go hard. Because if this one not put left for one place, the sister go put left for another place, brother go do another thing. You go dey hinder all the other prayers. That's why when you pray together, they still go pray your own way out. That is it. So now, when they tell this our sister this story finish, it be like it don't want to call you. Say, oh, like saying no, if for listening. So now pastor they can't go better church. They don't go Sakia, because this one not be Sakia matter. To not be all be Sakia matter. Like all this one will be cause so not be psychiatric at all. Now strong pastor when go deliver the person, and the guy don't get healing now. Now that one now thank God. So this life, now so life be my people. Story now the brief story. Many forefathers they don't use their hand curse. Oh no! See the way this one do now. Now you have to take us so. How can you say you dey shame for your first son say they kolo because of that one? You say me they go pay around. And now that they call the family now, because inside their family now they don't pass 5 when you don't they kolo. Now people when you don't know they still go there they marry. Because nobody go one marry say may first pikin come the kolo. Now who go do that? Nobody. That's why don't do something. I always dey talk, don't do something that will make somebody to curse you. Because person curse you for mad, you just feel say the thing don't finish. E not finish oh. E not finish. The time when the curse go take dey reheart, now in the evening when you don't even forget, now that time go reheart. But when you are innocent, they curse you. It not do you anything. When you are not innocent, you hurt the person badly. It curse you. It go do you something. And sometimes not first curse person. Because if your mouth they scratch you, you sabi curse. You don't curse. And that person retaliate that curse to you. It will follow you. Because now waiting you talk come out from mouth, the person send that back to you. This one are the story when we say I break on today. Now what we really need to tackle. Try to pray your way out. Look at what is it that is wrong and pray your way out. They talk every day. You know, say people they sometimes they misunderstand, say talk another thing, talk this one. But there are important things that we need to know. We need to look around. Now different one like the family. So they say me that they do people wife. So their girlfriend, they know they like her. Their girlfriend go fine finish. They not go like their girlfriend do. Immediately their friend just introduce, oh see my babe. That babe, that be when they can't like. They don't like their own again. Or my wife. Now that wife, they can't like. How to go jogodo that wife. Now he. How to snatch person wife. Now he. So now husband too. Depends. So my people, I'll stop this my video for here. I just say may I share this story with you guys about how this man take the wicked to his own son, say they shame, and at the end now all the family, because of what his papa caused, almost 5 people right now they kolo. But that boy he don't save. because your mama don go pray your own way out. What do you think about this video? Put your comment down there below. And again, please don't forget to hit the red button and click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video for here. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change any situation. So thank you so much for joining us, and please share this video. As you are sharing this video, you are supporting us, and we are praying for you that as you support us, Almighty God will send someone that will support you in everything that you do. If you call one, thousands will answer you. And I use this opportunity to pray for as many people that are in bondage. And if you don't forget to put that like finger, if you press that like, automatically it will turn blue. As it turn blue, Almighty God will lift you up, higher for you, backward never for you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me, I did there for you through dreams, bright life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.